actually is cancer and what isn't it? Well, what cancer is when cells in your body start growing uncontrollably and form lumps or tumors. So these really could be just cells that should have been killed and basically discarded by your process of elimination, but your body's systems were not working properly. It can occur almost anywhere in the body and often starts due to damaged DNA within the cells. So, what's not cancer is something that you can catch from someone else. It's not like a cold or flu, and just because someone has cancer doesn't mean it will spread to you. Just know that if left untreated, cancer cells may spread to other parts of the body through blood or lymph systems. And this is when cancer basically escalates to metastasis. And so, one of the things I will say is that we use intermittent fasting and particularly lean into longer periods of digestive rest. And one of the reasons we do that is because it stimulates a process in the body known as autophagy. And autophagy is essentially where your body has the resources it needs to be able to, flip the switch and turn on this process that goes in and cleans up a lot of these errant cells and this accumulation. The premise is that autophagy doesn't really start until about 17 or so hours with no food. We've been taught to eat 3 meals a day. Literally, our body would never go into autophagy. We also need protein, but eating protein also shuts down the autophagy process. And so it can be really important to consolidate your period of time that you're consuming protein and that you're consuming really any food so that you make sure you give yourself at least a 17 to 18 hour window of time of digestive rest so that this autophagy process can kick in. That's why I typically recommend that you adhere to a 6 hour eating window most days and throw in a couple of days of 1 meal a day and potentially even use longer periods of fasting from time to time to give your body even more of an opportunity to use the autophagy process and really get a lot of this cleanup work done.